Are you ready, guys? In 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So first and foremost, I would like to thank you everyone for the support that you're showing and giving us, most especially our family and relatives and friends. Thank you very much for the 500 subscribers and growing. That is always watching, liking, and leaving comment on our videos. Thank you very much. For today's video, I'm gonna show you an unboxing of a gift that I received from my husband for our 9th monthsary. None other than so last weekend, I received this 3,000 jigsaw puzzle from my husband, and as you can see, 1,000 pieces for the Paris, for Eiffel Tower in France, for 1,000 pieces of the one picture of London, the Big Ben, and also 1,000 pieces of picture of New York. I actually don't know which place in New York is this, but it says here it's in New York. Well, here you go. So everything is in 69 by 50 centimeters big. So it's quite big. There you go. It's quite big though, but yeah, it's 1,000 pieces. Actually, disclaimer here. It says that for technical reasons, this jigsaw puzzle contains 999 pieces rather than 100. So actually, the 1,000 pieces of jigsaw puzzle is deceiving. It's not 1,000 pieces, it's 999, and that is for a technical reason. Probably the pieces that fits here will only be 999. I don't know. Anyways, so as I've said, we're gonna open it and we're gonna see if it is a bulk of everything or every sceneries are separated. So let's open. So the casing is basically just a plastic wrap, which you can easily open. I can start here. So that's the plastic wrap. And then we're just gonna pull the top box out. Are you ready, guys? In 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Okay. So the jigsaw puzzles are separated in plastic. I think this one is the Eiffel Tower because I can see yellow thingy there. Another plastic bag. So probably this is, there's blue in there. So this can be the picture of New York. The last one, oh! I think this is the Eiffel Tower because it has violet. Yeah. So 1, 2, and 3. I love jigsaw puzzles. When I was a kid, I used to make jigsaw puzzles from pictures or from drawings. I will just draw something and then I'm gonna cut them into jigsaw puzzles. And this is the very first time that I had a massive number of jigsaw puzzles, like 3,000 pieces. I'm so excited. I just hope that I will have enough time to finish them all. This is not in a hurry, so it's just building them up whenever I have spare time. The problem is we don't have enough space at home, so I really don't know where will I do my puzzle. Anyways, that's less of my problem. So yeah, that's it. There's nothing inside the box anymore, just the 3 bags of 3,000 jigsaw puzzles. And yeah, so I think that's it. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you like jigsaw puzzle too, please let me know. So yeah, just let me know. And please like this video, subscribe if you haven't. Please click that bell button as well so you'll get notified on our next adventure. So yeah, that's it. So guys, please don't forget to share love always. Bye.